Guys, like if you are a student and you are done with your ECFMG certification, okay, nowadays, and in 1 month, after 2 months, you want to update your application. Like now you are going to apply for ECFMG certification, you are a student, but in the next year, after 6 months, you are going to graduate, then you have to update your application. Okay, you again go and click on the services and click on ECFMG certification, and after you have go for the ECFMG certification application, click here, and after clicking you can scroll little bit and you will get this icon like update my application. When you click, you can update anything you want. You want to add your status, you are going to a student to graduate, you want to do for credential verification, you can add all the things here. Understand? It is a super easy. And one thing more, accepted application is required for the USMLE. Now we are going to review how you are going to apply for USMLE exam. First, you are done with the ECFM certification. If you are done with the ECFM certification, you accept it, then you can click on USMLE application. When you click on USMLE application, you have to scroll a little bit and you will get this icon apply for USMLE. If you are not done with application for ECFM certification, this icon will be not visible to you guys. So first go and do ECFMG certification. After that, you have to review all the your profile information. It is not editable. You can't edit this information because all the information just copy paste from your certification form. Understand? The medical school information all the same. You just have to click the next, and accept all the terms and conditions. After all the things, after accepting next, and there will be one option will become in which you have to add exam. When you click on this option add exam, there will be two options for you: USMLE Step 1 or USMLE Step 2. After this, you guys have to click this ECFMG 7-year rule that if you are not clear your steps 2, 3 like that, your step 1 score will be expired. Okay, it is just like that. So after that, you have click on eligibility periods. On eligibility periods, you have to select any triad you want to select that was mentioned on your account when you are going to apply. Then after, you have to select your testing region. But before applying to your testing region, please go through to the Prometric site. So what the things including in there. But in this, I want to give you an information like it will become a little bit difficult for the Indian student because there was like 80% of texts are applied. Like on all other test centers except the USA, it's a $0. But for other all the centers, there's a $205 and the search charge. But for India, it is about 385 or 65. I'm not confirmed yet, but for the Indian applicant or the applicants who are going to give test in India, their testing region fee is high as compared to other regions. After that, you have to confirm, you have to all the thing, yeah, you are disabled or not, and then they will be you have to click yes or no as your information. Then this thing will be short to you like you are done with all the things. Like there will be your test accommodations will be no, but the testing region any of your select it will be mentioned here and your triad will be here. After all the informations, you have to click on the next and you have to give some additional information like which language you are going to speak, which one is your native language, and click next, your USMLE applicant summary, and you have to overview all the application. After all the things, you have to click on the attestation and you have to click on the next after accepting the form. After accepting and going for the next, you will get the review from your card in which there will one is the fee for the region you are going to give your exam. For the US is $0. For outside USA like in other Asian countries it will be 205, or for India it is 365 or 85 like that. And there will be step fee that is $695, and will be one sum in total. If you are going with this sum calculation, it will be 900, and if it is, you guys calculate by yourself. But after all the thing, apply for the credits. You have credit of this, like if you are going to pay from your financial account, if you're putting your own card, then go with the billing address and payment information and click on next and the pay, and they will set a thank you to you, and your application is submitted.